Papa will buy car, other car. Again, I will struggle na. Okay?
Papa fighting.
그래, fighting. Rebuilding. How gonna rebuilding SY again and then. Ay nako. For sale. For sale kasi po kuya. I need to remove it.
I need to remove it.
Ah, Papa will gonna selling this car. But very hard. How to?
You want?
Wow, mahirap to. Ay, very hard. Sabi mo you will practice. Huh? Why you practice? Huh?
Ano po?
What?
We have gig kasi boss.
Huh?
On Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah.
What?
In Rabs.
Ah, raps.
We will sing na outside.
Yeah, jogit.
Lamani.
1,000? 1,000 daw. Huh? And then you need to sing 27 songs?
Yes.
Yeah, 27 songs?
27, oh. She said she's okay with it.
27 songs.
Natanggalin.
Just remember, first time I put the sticker and bring the car to Magbenta. Oh? Remember na ba? 좋았는데 그때. Parang wow, parang feeling normal price na. Before kasi po ito, when I riding this car war, when I saw this car, the our logo, very proud po eh. In Angeles. And now, not for selling naman po, meaning okay, for sale.
Help Papa, oh, see? Can.
Papa will buy car, other car. Again, I will struggle na. Okay?
But do not put that sticker.
Ah, okay.
I will need to buy other car.
We need to buy other car.
Yeah, if put this car. If we success. But for now, we need to
Sell na.
sell it.
Wow. You wanna help me ba?
Papa fighting.
Waiting, Papa? Oh. Again, loudly.
Papa fighting.
Fighting!
Fighting.
Yeah,
I like this, huh? Fighting. Fighting.
Dance.
Fighting.
그래, fighting! If somebody wanna buy this car, please contact me po. Walang wait. Kasi until sold the house, I need some cash. So now DJ, many try to selling our things. So we can restart naman. Walang cash, how can restart? Sana people cheering us, supporters still cheering us, discovering new talent, and then rebuilding. How gonna rebuilding SY again, and then if already good, people tell them we can again together. Pero really wish supporter cheering us how down and then how going up again. Sana, yeah. I wanna supporters also know I really try my best for our talent and then for our staff. If failed is the for can blame, maybe people must blame me, but except the fail, I'm not shy for I'm not shy. I'm not giving up dream yet. So we're gonna selling what I can sell everything.